Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Flask. Today we are going to learn how to upload the data from the CSV to the database PostgreSQL. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's showcase the demo first. Okay, so let me clear this, right? And let me just run this Python. And now we go with the index page. Okay, upload cs to database. First we will check that the database is table is totally empty, that is users. Let's try to import it. So this is my file. I'm going to just upload this file. CSV data uploaded successfully. Any error that we're getting in the terminal? So all the records are updated. Let's have a look on that one. So let me just refresh this one, and here you can see that whatever the in the CSV file, it's just updating. Let me open the CSV file also. So here we have the test sheet. Okay, so here you can see that this is the data that I have written down into the CSV. Import the CSV and update the DB table with the help of Python and the Flask. Let's dive into the code level. Okay, let me just scroll down this. Okay, so what we are doing first, we are importing the Flask render template and the request from the Flask, then CSV by default package. Then we have a package that is psychocop pg2. Okay, that we have to install with the help of this command. If you haven't installed, then you have to install Flask. I could binary library. Okay, so these are the libraries that you have to install. Okay, after this we have to initialize the Flask name. Then we have a PostgreSQL configuration. So define the PostgreSQL configuration with user, password and the database. Okay, after that I'm creating a function which will take the file path, and first it will connect to the PostgreSQL. Then we are going to open and read the CSV file by line. After this, here we are skipping the header row if it is there. Okay, then the normal phenomena that we have to iterate the row. Okay, after the row iteration we will retrieve the name and the email, and here we are going to execute the query, that is insert the data into the database table with the help of the cursor dot execute. And here we are sending the name and the email from the row. Okay, then commit the changes to the database with the help of con.commit and close the database connection with this, right? And return true. If something goes wrong, it will printing that the error uploading the CSV to the database with the exact error. Okay, and in the index route we are just rendering the index.html route. Okay, next we have the upload function where we have a route for the upload. Okay, so first we will check that if there is a file. If it is not, then it will print that the no file included in the request. Okay, then after that get the files from the request. So we will check the file is there. If it is there, then save the file to the temporary location. You can change this location. Okay, then csv.save file with the save file path. Then we will calling the function that is upload csv to the database with the file path. Okay, then we will print that the csv data uploaded successfully. When this function completes the process, then we will print that the csv data successfully uploaded. And if something goes wrong, we will return that the failed to upload the csv data to the database. And if there is exception, then we will throw that one. Okay, with 500 status code, right? So this is how we are able. Basic the logic is like, when we have the form, here you can see that we have the form. So here we have upload API to hit. Okay, so it accepts .csv file. Okay, so when I click on the upload, so first we will process the CSV file. Okay, and whatever file we have, we are going to send this file to the upload to the CSV. And here we do the connection part, then reading the file, then saving the database, then close the connection. So this is the process for uploading or importing the CSV files and insert the data into the database with the PostgreSQL, Python and the Flask. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.